Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Mall Public School. Let's start our today's interesting activity of Mathematics Standard 4th, and today we will see how to get the equal shapes only by folding method. Isn't it to be interesting activity? So let's see our today's activity. For writing an activity, let's note down some important points. For writing an activity, what you have to do? You have to take A4 size paper, chart paper or any plain paper which is available at home. Don't forget to mention your name, standard, section and roll number on it. After that, you have to write down activity's name, objective, material required, and then your observation table, that is your activity, or if there any observation table is there, that you have to write down. Otherwise, whatever you are doing activity, that you have to paste after material required. And then at the end, don't forget to write the learning outcomes. Paste the foldings on the activity paper. Okay, so before learning outcomes, you have to do this. Here total 5 are given. Out of this only you have to do any 3. So let's see. To divide a square by paper folding to make 4 equal rectangles, 4 equal squares and 4 equal triangles. To divide a rectangle by paper folding to make 4 equal rectangles, 4 equal triangles. So for this you need the paper cutouts in the shapes of the squares and rectangles. Learning outcome is to visualize the rectangles, squares and triangles of same size. So let's have a fun with doing and by doing this activity. Let's take a cutout in the shape of a square first. Now fold it in the middle so that to see the second figure, 3A is the square, 3B is in the middle. You have to fold it, completely overlap each other. So it shouldn't be unequal, it should be equal folded. Then in the 3C shows, again you have to fold it along the longer side so that the portion overlap with each other. And then after 3C, when you open that paper, you will see the folded line 3 and the equal rectangles 4. So in this way we can see the 4 equal rectangles are obtained. So in this way you have to do the remaining 1 and then paste this page on the activity paper. In the previous folding we got the 4 rectangles. Now to get the square we have to fold it in the middle. See here, and then you will get the 4 rectangles. Okay, so square, if you want this square, turn it like this through the diagonal, you will get the 4 equal triangles. So these are the different foldings through which you will get the rectangles, squares and triangles. So try this, complete this activity and then paste all these 3 on the activity sheets, and don't forget to write the learning outcomes. Based on the all 3 folded pictures which you have already done and pasted, you have to write down this and complete the table. Number of parts of unfold cutouts, are all these parts equal, and the shape of each part obtained by folding. So in the first one we got the rectangle, then square and then 4 equal triangles, and then you have to write down the learning outcomes. So in this way you can finish your activity of folding the paper. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.